Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this packable travel blanket with the storage pouch here. So obviously your travel blanket's inside here. You got this zipper here to close up once you pack your blanket in there. And you've got this loop right here if you want to loop it to something. And then what's cool here is you've got this little strap on the back here that actually slips. You use that to slip down over the handle of your suitcase. So got my suitcase here. And as you can see, it just goes on the handle there, and then it goes on and off pretty easy, which is pretty cool. And then I will show you the blanket out of the pouch here. So here's the blanket out of the pouch. As you can see, you just fold it up when you put it in the pouch, and you can unfold it. And just a nice lightweight blanket to have, for whether it be for the airplane or you're riding in the car or whatever you may want to use it for when you're traveling. That really enjoyed having, and that has been pretty handy. And obviously it packs up pretty small, so if you got to pack it in a suitcase or carry on or whatever it may be, it is pretty small to travel with, which is nice. And like I said, you just pack it back in this this pouch here and zip it up and you're good to go.